Welcome to Python Series 1. In this video, let us discuss about the introduction to Python. So, in this video, the brief introduction to Python. So, why should we actually learn the Python language? Python has very simple syntax. Syntax is nothing but a set of rules. Actually, in English or Telugu or some other language, we have the grammar. The grammar which is known as syntax or rules. We used to follow the same rules in the Python or Java or C++ or any language. So the Python has very simple syntax here. And the minimal code. What is minimal code? Minimal code is having very short. Means minimal code is nothing but very short code. In Python, if you want to print the hello world in the output, we can use just by using the print function. In the output, we get the hello world as output. So if you want to print the hello world in the output in Java compiler, then you have to write this too much of code. So you need 4 to 5 lines of code just to print the hello world in the output, but you need just only one line in the output to print hello world. What is Python programming language actually? It is a high-level programming language used for general purpose, and it is discovered by Guido van Rossum in the year 1991. And what are all the features does Python have and why it is famous? Let us see now. So it has many features. So let us discuss one by one. Actually, Python is open source and free to learn. You can learn in anywhere. It is free open software, so you can learn anywhere in the internet. And the next feature is dynamically typed. What is dynamically typed? So in Java, if you want to use or declare a variable, you must give the type of the variable it is. Means if you suppose you want to use the variable as integer, then you must give int in front of a variable. Let us take a as a variable in Java. So this is how you give the variable, or this is how you declare the variable in Java language. Versus let us see what happens in Python. Just in Python, to declare the variables, you need not to give the type of variable it is. Just you can give by declaring or giving just the variable name and assign to the variable. So you need not to give the integer or any type of the data to give the variable. So this is actually dynamically typed. Is you need not require the type of the variable can be given. How the code is actually run? How the Python code is actually run? It is run or executed in the output line by line. The compiler executes the code line by line. Actually, Python also supports the OOPS concept. OOPS concept is nothing but object-oriented programming language. And Python also has a standard library which has many methods, functions, and pre-declared usable keywords and many things. And also Python is also case sensitive. What is actually case sensitive is? Case sensitive is nothing but in Python, let us take example capital A and small a. Capital A is different and small a is different. So in Python actually the uppercase letters and lowercase letters are not equal. Here capital A is different and small a is different, which has it is an uppercase and it is a lowercase. So both are not equal. Both are not equal in the case of Python. So let us discuss few more topics about Python in this class. Okay, now let us discuss about where the Python is actually used and what are the different types of job roles we have by learning Python. So you can become a web developer, as it is also used in the web development as you can become the web developer, and it is also used in the data science. you can become the data scientist. A job role here is the data scientist. And machine learning. Python is also used in the machine learning by using many tools such as PyTorch, TensorFlow, etc. And you can able to become ML engineer, machine learning engineer. And next use is IoT. IoT is nothing but Internet of Things. It is also used in Internet of the Things field. Also cyber security. You can become the cyber security analyst, and it is also used in the API and backend. API is nothing but application program interface, and backend. In the backend, you can able to actually control the servers and used in the backend development. So and the next is game development. It is also used to develop the two-dimensional games, not the heavy games, but you can be able to develop the two-dimensional games. So we have many uses by learning Python and different types of job roles. And